you don't really talk about such issues. In ASEAN, pwede pa, these political issues. That's why I always bring it up. But I didn't. The only time I was able to speak to President Xi Jinping was in our last leaders retreat meeting. And the reason why, ang hirap lapitan talaga. You know, meron kami holding room. But every time he comes in, he's surrounded by security. So, ang hirap lapitan. Ayoko namang mamilit. Baka suntukin pa ako ng security guard niya. But when we came to the end, sabi ko, nakakahiya ito. Hindi pa ako bumabati. Di ba? Baka kung anong sabihin, baka naman ma-offend. Sabi ko, so, pinilit ko makapunta sa kanya. And I said, congratulations on your assumption of the chair for the following APEC. And I hope to do good work together with you. That's it. Mabilisan lang eh. Mabilisan lang talaga.
Thank you, Mr. President.